Hi, Don Albrecht here, Albrecht's Nursery and Orchard. I haven't seen this many tipped over apple trees in a long time. Lots of wind, lots of rain. A couple weeks ago we got hammered by the wind. Trees tipped over all over the place, not just apple trees, but shade trees, evergreens, all kinds of trees. But as far as apple trees go, if you leave them go, apples are still developing on these trees yet, and so they're getting heavier and heavier and heavier. They're going to start leaning more and more and more. Next thing you know, your tree's going to be laying on the ground if it isn't already. The ground is saturated, it's loose, trees are going to tip. We want to catch this. We got to get these trees stood back up, hopefully while the ground is still wet yet. If it dries up on you, I would encourage you saturating that area first. Brace the tree first, saturate the soil, and then stand the tree back up. If you wait till it's dry, then you're going to risk breaking some roots on the way back up again. Piece of string, garden hose, and a T-post. We're out on a location right now staking up a bunch of trees. How long do we got to stake them for? Well, we don't know. Maybe it'd be just 1 year, depending on how vigorous the rootstock is. If it's not too vigorous of a rootstock, maybe we got to permanently stake it, but that's okay. Leave it permanently staked. That'll be all right. So I'll just do a quick demonstration, show you what we do here. T-post, garden hose, and a string. You wrap it around the tree. You don't have to worry about choking the tree here too much. The garden hose will kind of prevent you from tying it off too short, because it'll be kind of loose, and you want to leave room around the trunk here anyway. And watch this. Ain't that amazing? So wrap the twine around the T-post. I'd recommend a couple, 3 times. Get that tied off. Make sure if you're using a twine that it's not going to degrade and go rotten on you. Otherwise you can use a rope. Rope will work too. But whatever you do, get the trees stood back up. Don't leave them laying like this one here was. Apples are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Not that big, but that's a lot more weight on the tree, and that's just, you get another heavy rainfall or whatever, ground loosen up even more, you got more weight on the tree, tree's going to lay more and more down to the ground, and that's what we don't want. So anyway, get out there, check your trees. If they're starting to lean, get them tipped back up and stake them. That's all you can do. All right, Don Albrecht, we'll see ya.